Katyayani and welcome to my channel Art and Craft with Katyayani. Today we are going to make a beautiful multi-purpose card. And this card has many uses which you will get to know in the end. So let's start. Before starting, I want to tell you the materials needed for the card. One A4 size sheet, compass, scale, fevicol, sketch pen and a scissor. So let's start. First of all, we have to make a 9 cm radius circle and then we have to cut it. After cutting, our circle will look something like this. Now, we have to fold the circle into 2 semicircles. Like this. Then open it and fold it from another side. Now, we have to draw a line on the outer part of the circle. First, we have to draw a slanting line, then a straight line and then again a slanting line. The line will look something like this. Now, we have to start cutting from this side. And now we have to cut our line. After cutting, the card will look something like this. Now we have to fold this part into 2. It should be equal from both the sides. Like this. Now apply a little bit glue on this part of the card. And just paste it. It will take a little bit time to paste, but it will paste. Don't apply too much glue, otherwise it will come out. It will pasting slowly. Now, you can see that our card has pasted. Now, we can fold it. This is the outer look of our card and the inner look. Now, I am also which I am going to paste here. You can write whatever you want to write in these. You have to apply a little bit glue on the borders. No need to apply glue on the whole cutout. Now, I will be pasting this also. Like this, and then we have to paste this part also. I have taken green color, but you can take any color you want. Like this. So now we have to paste something on the outer part also. For that, I am having some strips of paper also, which I am going to paste. Like this. So guys, our multi-purpose card is ready. Now comes the turn of uses of this card. This card has 2 uses. Either you can make a card like this. I have made 2 parts. You can also make 2 parts, like you can join one more part into it like this. You can decorate it like this also and this also. And the second use is this. I have pasted the card on a notebook, which is also very impressive. So guys, now comes the turn of a beautiful thought. The best life lesson is to learn something from someone and to listen to everyone, because nobody knows everything and everyone knows something. So, if you liked our video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Bye bye.